Let's be honest here. If you are watching this, chances are you are unprofitable. You may have had a good week or month, but overall you are in the red. And let me explain why. At one point, I was exactly where you are. I was a complete novice to trading. I kept seeing people flashing their expensive cars and watches, and I thought to myself, wait a minute, how hard can it be, right? Pressing two buttons, buy or sell, and just like that, I'd be on my way to success. But reality hit hard. I found myself taking loss after loss, blowing through multiple accounts, and it wasn't just the accounts that were getting blown. I was also spending a lot of money on courses. If I wasn't attending live seminars, I was purchasing online courses, hoping they'd be the missing piece. A lot of these courses were a waste of time, and I began to feel like they were just another money-making tactic for the person selling them. Every time I completed a course, I was eager to jump back on the charts and start trading, but it was always the same story. Losses, more losses. With every loss, I felt defeated. I couldn't understand why I wasn't profitable, and the constant failures began to take a real toll on my mental health. At this point, trading didn't feel like a way out of my problems. It felt like a never-ending struggle. I wanted to be successful, but I couldn't see a way through the fog. My confidence was shot, and most importantly, my motivation was almost gone. It was at this low point that I realized something had to change. I decided to get back on the bike. I needed to learn why I was failing, not just throw more money at the next shiny course. So I stopped paying for courses and started spending countless hours on the charts, studying the markets, understanding how and why prices moved the way they did. I dove deep into the fundamentals, understanding what exactly drove the markets up or down. I may not have been profitable at that time, but I had something more important: a relentless work ethic and a mentality of not quitting. I wasn't going to give up, no matter how hard it got, because the thought of staying stuck in a life I didn't want was far scarier than the struggle of making trading work. In my 7 years of trading, I've learned that the most important factor in success is psychology. I can't emphasize enough how crucial trading psychology is. It took me years to realize that every decision I made, every trade I took was deeply connected to my own mindset and relationship with money. If you love money more than the process of trading itself, I don't think you'll ever truly succeed in the markets. Successful trading isn't about strategies or analysis, it's about mastering your own emotions and maintaining a healthy mental state. As a trader, you need to check in with yourself every day. How are you feeling? Are you angry, tired, or stressed? Do you have personal issues outside of trading that could affect your judgment? It may seem trivial, but these factors all influence your decisions when you are in front of the charts. Your mindset is everything. The better you understand yourself and how your emotions impact your trading, the better your decisions will be. It's not just about the trades you make, it's about the mental and emotional state you bring to the markets every single day. Another reason many people struggle to be profitable in the markets is because they rely too heavily on social media gurus. As frustrating as it may be, trading is a solo endeavor. No one will hold your hand through the process or pick you up when you are down. In the end, success in the financial markets is all on you. Every decision you make, whether it's entering a trade or managing risk, is your responsibility. It doesn't matter how many gurus you follow or how often you watch their videos. It doesn't mean you will make the same profits or drive the same car as them. Yet, many traders let these influences get into their heads, creating unrealistic expectations and a false sense of urgency to catch up to these so-called successes. The harsh reality is that every trader is on their own unique journey. Some may achieve success faster, others will take longer, but no one has the same path and no one can predict your timeline for success. Never put a deadline on your progress just because of what you see or hear on social media. Focus on your own growth, your own process, and your own strategy. Trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Comparison only holds you back. If there's one thing I want to leave you with in this video, it's the key factor that truly transformed my trading and helped me become profitable over the years. That key factor is understanding the fundamentals, what really drives the markets. I know there will always be a debate between technical analysis and fundamental analysis, but I want to be clear. This idea that technicals drive the markets is a narrative pushed by gurus who don't truly understand economics or what actually moves the market. And quite frankly, it's misguided. The truth is, Fundamentals drive the technicals. If you want to trade successfully, you need to understand the health of the economy. Pay attention to key data points like unemployment rates, interest rates, credit card debts, housing market trends, and more. When you educate yourself on these fundamentals, you can start to build a narrative about where the market is headed. Once you have that perspective, then you can use technical analysis to fine-tune your entry and exit points with your trading strategy. Trading purely on technicals is like trading blindly. Let me explain. Imagine you're trying to buy into a market that's crashing. You've got all your technical levels marked up, but no matter how many times you buy, the market just keeps breaking through every level. Why is this happening? You are so focused on the markets that you haven't considered what's happening in the real world. Maybe there's a geopolitical tension, a war breaking out, or a tweet from a major figure like Donald Trump that's shaking the market. If you are unaware of these fundamentals, you are trading in the dark. My success as a trader has come from staying informed about the fundamentals and constantly educating myself on the ever-changing world around us. But that's not enough. I've also worked tirelessly to hone my technical skills. When you combine both fundamentals and technicals, that's when you find the sweet spot in trading. This didn't happen overnight. It took me 7 years of hard work, trial and error, and continuous learning to get where I am today. Trading is not a get-rich-quick game. It takes time, patience, and a deep passion for the craft. If you truly love what you do, it will never feel like a job. Trust the process. Believe in yourself. You can do this. I hope you found value in this video. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and comment below, especially if you agree or disagree with anything I've said. Let's keep the conversation going, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.